This slow cooker vegetarian pumpkin chili is the ultimate comfort food. Although it's vegetarian, this chili is still packed with protein thanks to a variety of different beans. This chili is packed with flavor and tons of nutrients like pumpkin. Now, what if I told you that meal planning could be simple? Well, my Eat Cheap, Live Good meal plan guide is a 7-day meal plan guide that will save you time and money in the kitchen. You'll learn to eat well on less than $10 a day. I'll teach you about the health benefits of the key ingredients in each meal and how they contribute to your overall wellness. You'll also learn about resources that can keep you organized and on track to make sure that meal planning sticks. Now, are you ready for 7 days of simple, cheap, and nourishing meals? Click on the link in the description below to end your stress and frustration with meal planning once and for all, and grab your copy of Eat Cheap, Live Good. Thanks for watching.